Yeah, hello. Now we are coming to talk about this question too. Yeah. Now look at this. We have the chord AB. The chord AB is forming an angle at the center of a circle. So the chord AB forms an angle at the center of a circle which is 40 degrees. Yes. Now the same chord AB, this is the chord AB. The same chord AB, this one moves to here, which is the circumference. This one also moves to here, which is the what? The circumference. So how can we get the angle for M? We said that if the angle formed at the center is M and here the angle at the circumference is N, then the center is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference of a circle. Very good. Now let's apply the same thing. Now the angle at the center is now 40 and the angle at the circumference is now M. So what does it mean? When we multiply the M by 2, we have to get what? 40. When we multiply M by 2, so 2 times M should give us the one at the center of a circle, which is 40. So what will be M? 40 divided by 2. M is equal to 20 degrees. Or you can easily say that the M is equal to half of 40. So M is equal to 20 degrees. Any of them, you'll be able to get the answer. Very good. Make sure you tap on the subscribe button. See you in another video.